Right, okay guys, so today I want to talk to you about the three main reasons why I chose the XMAX 300. So to talk about my riding experience and background before, I've only owned one bike before this, which was the Suzuki SV650. I had the 2004 model with the fairing on it. That was quite an exciting bike for me, especially since it was my first big bike. So I owned that for about 2 years. I then sold it because I wanted to go traveling. So I used the money from the bike to pay for my flights and all of that. I went traveling in Asia, specifically in the Philippines. So I saw a lot of scooters everywhere. People with Mios and NMAXs. And then sometimes I'd see the XMAX. That would always catch my eye. They always like to do a lot of modifications with it. Some have auxiliary lights and some have the crash cages, which makes it look like a tank, which I like. So then I did more research and then found the XMAX 300. So the first thing that really caught my eye with the XMAX 300 is how it looks. It looks mean, it looks sporty. I've looked at other options like the Suzuki Bergman 400 and also the Honda Forza. The looks and its aggressive styling really just caught my eye, and I always wanted a bike that makes me want to stare at it all the time. And when comparing it with the other competitors like the Suzuki and the Honda, the price point was around midway, and also the physical size was quite slim compared to the Bergman. Overall, I just liked the look of it better than all those other bikes. So the second reason why I chose the XMAX 300 is its fuel economy. When I use my XMAX on my commute, I get around 230 miles each tank, and it costs me around 13 to 15 pounds depending on the petrol prices, and that's with a 13.5 litre tank. So I only fill up around twice a month, if that, depending on how many times I work, but I really like that it sips petrol. The third thing that really attracted me to the XMAX 300 is the storage space. Coming from a sports bike, I didn't know that bikes could have space like this and carry stuff with you, so I always wanted to little slip there. I think I hit some loose rocks, but luckily I didn't go down. Yeah, so coming from sports bikes, I didn't know that you can have this much storage space on a motorcycle. You know, going somewhere and not having to worry about where you need to put your helmet or if you need to bring a bag. That really got me attracted to maxi scooters and the XMAX 300. It's got so much space that I usually keep my locks, my chains, my gloves and my helmet inside. I also keep my rain cover so that when it rains I can put it over my bike and it doesn't get soaked. And I don't need to worry about bringing anything with me inside. Everything is on the bike itself. As a bonus point, I just wanted to talk about the pillion seat on this. I don't really get to have pillion passengers on my bike, but when I sat on a pillion seat, it is really comfortable. More comfortable than the chair I have in my house. So that's one that I really like. So just in case that I was going to bring my mom or my friend on the bike, then it would be really comfortable. It's a really wide seat with the sturdy handles for the passenger, so that's something you might want to keep in mind if you do have passengers all the time on your bike. Okay, so that's all for this week's video, guys. I just wanted to talk about why I chose the XMAX 300. Please tune in and subscribe I'll be putting up more videos regarding the XMAX 300 and hopefully make a better video each time. So until then, see you guys, stay safe, ride safe, and peace.